Good morning everyone. Welcome once again in our mathematics standard 8 chapter number 4 practical geometry. Today's sessions we will try to discuss exercise number 4.1 and 2. There are 5 exercises, but before starting our today's sessions, let's do little small exercise. Yes, my dear students, you are very well. After a long time you should have to do physical exercise with your head, hands and eyes. See the question number 1 of exercise 4.1 here. Question is here. Construct the following quadrilaterals. 1. Quadrilateral ABCD where AB's length is 4.5 cm, BC's length is 5.5 cm, CD is 4 cm, AD is 6 cm, AC is 7 cm. Let's check the answer of this first one. See the solution of first one. Firstly, a rough sketch of this quadrilateral can be drawn as follows. The sides are given and one diagonal AC also given. See how to draw this quadrilateral with the help of scale and pair of compass. You all are knowing how to use the pair of compass and a scale. This is my scale and this is my pair of compass. Yes, my dear students, you are right. One side you have to fix the pencil and one side is the pointed. But both the knots are exactly equal distance. Isn't it? Yes. Now look at here how to draw this quadrilateral with the help of these two instruments of compass. First, triangle ABC can be constructed by using the given measurement. See, already we discussed a quadrilateral is made up of two things. One, it is made up of triangles, two triangles, not one triangle. Yes, my dear students, here is the first one. First one is here. ABC triangle. How to draw the triangle ABC? We already discussed in our 7th standard. Once again, we can start from our base. BC is 5.5 cm. With the help of the scale, we can draw a line segment BC of measure 5.5 cm. Here, the vertex D is 6 cm away from A. So, therefore, while taking A as center, draw an arc of radius 6 cm. Yes, my dear students, you are having an idea where you have to put your point on the cursor. Yes, my cursor is here, that is my knob, and line is here. We can put point on A and draw a 6 cm arc from A to anywhere. Here it is shown. Yes, my dear students, here is the AD. AD's point are here. Now look at here. What is CD? Yes, the taking center as C. Now center is a C. Center means you have to put your pointed of the pair of compass on particular point. And then after pencils you can use for arc. 4 cm away from C. Now join the point D with A and C. Yes, my dear students, here is your first answer. Quadrilateral ABCD of given measures. You may surprise, we started with two triangles and we got a quadrilateral with a given measurement. Yes, my dear students. Now second, firstly, a rough diagram. It's very important to draw the rough diagram. Is it or not, student? Yes. Now look at here. I want to show you the second one. Answer is here. But before that, I want to take my brush. Brush is here. See, student, how to take the D point here. D is here, so join this D is with here AC and CD. Same way, you can try it with your diagonals. Second, no, but third one. Here points are there. You can write down as in your language. Second, rough diagram of quadrilateral JUMP. You can take any base or anything. Here my base is PU. PU is a pi 6.5 centimeter. JUP. My triangle is JUP. Now we are drawing JUP with the help of the pair of compass and a scale. Draw first PU with the help of scale 6.5 centimeter. Now take the P as a center and draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Dear students, see, I am keeping my pointer here and drawing an arc from here. Can you understood where I keeping my pointer? Yes. Now I will keep my pointer on U and pencil part with J, which is cutting on point J. Now join point PJ and JU, which gives me a triangle JUP, or you can say PJU or PUJ. Okay, very good, students. Now look at the third point of this one. Now JUP is ready. I want to draw another one, point M, which is far away from U to 4 centimeter and from P to 5 centimeter. Same process, same thing. We can draw it and mark a point M. Can you understood here, students? I am showing here point M. Yes, intersection of this both the measurement, I will get a point M. Join point this one with the P and U, I will get a JUMP quadrilateral. Now third one, we can know here the measurement of the sides are given. ME is equal to OR and MO is equal to ER. Both are the same are here. Rough sketch is drawn here. You can find out 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and diagonal OE is 7.5 centimeter. Very easy method, just now drawn as it is. We can repeat the steps. First triangle ERO or ORE. With the given measurement, you are having a triangle. Now look at here, second one, point M is there. We can draw point M on from O and E. Good. Now see our quadrilateral is ready. MORE, more. You can start from anywhere, but you can read it any direction. Correct. Now fourth of this one, we know that all sides of a rhombus are the same measure. Yes or no? Yes. Hence, ES is equal to ST is equal to TB. And we can say B, best. A rough sketch of this rhombus can be drawn as follows. See the rough sketch, not final one. Just treat. All sides are equal. My base ET or TE is equal to 6 centimeter. One diagonal is there. So can I draw one triangle? First one, BET. Yeah. Where? Now first of all, triangle BET. Draw the line segment ET of 6 centimeter. Yes, very good. From E, I can make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. And now again same measurement, I can put an arc from center T. I will get the point B. Join this BE and BT, which gives me a triangle PET. Yes, my dear student, you are right. Now we have to move for our second triangle EST. Same way, we can use the same measurement, 4.5 centimeter, an arc we can draw it. Yes, very good, student. See, our quadrilateral is ready. It's a rhombus because all sides are equal. Now we are moving on exercise 4.2. 4.2 is very easy. Just we can try to solve the answers. Construct the following quadrilaterals. LIFT. Li is 4 centimeter, IF is equal to 3 centimeter, TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and IT is equal to 4 centimeter. Second one, quadrilateral gold. OL is 7.5, GL is this much. We can start from first one over a rough sketch of this quadrilateral can be drawn as follow. Is it here, student? What do you find here? Two sides are given and two diagonals are given. Yes or no? Now think about our first triangle ITL. Where is ITL? Yes, my dear student, ITL is here. ITL. First triangle you are having, and you are having three sides. Yes or no? 4 centimeter. Here 2.5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. With the help of this, can I draw a triangle? Yes, why not? See. Triangle ITL can be constructed by using the given measurement as follows. First of all, we can make the base TL of 2.5 centimeter, help of the scale. Yes, very good, student. Now take an arc of 4 centimeter from L and arc 4 centimeter from T. I will get a point I. Vertex F is 4.5 centimeter away from the L and 3 centimeter away from I. See, student, we are discussing now third one, lift F. Our triangle is ready. We are thinking of F. Therefore, while taking L and I as centers, draw arcs of 4.5 centimeter radius and 3 centimeter radius respectively, which will be intersecting each other at point F. Student, here you can see it. Yes or no? Yes. Now look at here, join F to T and I. Yes? Yes, our quadrilateral is ready. From L I drawn here, or not T. Because from L distance is given, LF is 4.5 centimeter. Here some students may be confused. This distance is 4.5 centimeter. So I can draw an arc from here and one arc from here. I. Isn't it? Yes. Now lift is our ready. It's our quadrilateral with the help of two diagonals and three sides. Second one. Our gold, GOLD, measurements are given. We are trying to see our rough sketch. Student, observe the rough sketch. GDL is our first triangle. GD having three measurements. Yes, we can start from there. And we are knowing how to draw the GDL. Our GDL is ready. Steps you can make in your language. It's not compulsory what is written here, what is written in the book, what is written in the digest, what is written in somewhere. You can make in your language, easy way, where you are keeping your center, where is the arc, where arcs are intersecting, give the particular name of the point. Yes, my dear student, here is that vertex O is 10 centimeter away from D and 7.5 centimeter away from L. So one vertex and one is the side. Therefore, by taking D and L as centers, draw arcs of 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeters respectively, which cuts on point O. Which cuts on point O. Is it or not? Yes, my dear students. So I want to show you how it came. So from here to here is a 10 centimeter and from here to here is a 7.5 centimeter. Both arcs are there. You can understand this arc is 7.5 centimeter and this arc is 10 centimeters away from D and away from L. Good. Join the OG and OL. Your quadrilateral is ready. I think so. There is no confusion still now. Shall we move for the next question? Yes, my dear student. Next question is here. See the question. Gold is the required triangle. Third one is here. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus always bisect each other at 90 degree. Let us assume that these are intersecting each other at point O in this rhombus. So OE or EO is equal to OD, or we can say is equal to 3.25 centimeter, which is given. Rough sketch we can make it and try to understand what is this O2D and O2E. 3.25. Make it double. 3.25 plus 3.25, which gives me a, yes, 6.5 centimeter. Same way, 5.6 centimeters can get it from 2.8 to 2.8. Bond BEND. We are starting to draw a quadrilateral BEND band. Draw a line segment BN of 5.6 centimeter and draw its perpendicular bisector. Let it intersect at the point line segment BN at O. Perpendicular bisector, new word is here, which always cut a given line segment exactly in two parts. See, the shape will be changed, direction will be changed, the measurement remains same. See, first of all, we started a BN. What is the measurement of BN? 5.6 centimeter. With the help of scale, you can draw. Perpendicular bisector means you can keep your pointer on B and take more than half of the BN and arc. That means you can take this much, half of this, more than half of this. One arc is here from N, one arc from down. Yes, my dear student? Correct. Now same arc, you can use it here and cut it here, one here and one down. You are having 2 points which is shown with the dotted lines. Can you join this both point? Yes. Which point starts on point O? That is my middle point of 5.6 without scale. Say, okay, nice. Taking O as center, draw arcs of 3.25 centimeter radius to intersect the perpendicular bisector at point D and E. Now center is here mine and I want to take 3.25. Students, I want to give one another advice. You can take out a ED as the base and try it. What is my ED? 6.5. 6.5, which is very easy to take out. 6.5 ED. See my students, ED. What is the measurement of this one? 6.5 centimeter. Bisect exactly. That means we are drawing here like this way. We are knowing very well. Now cut it here. My point is here, exactly middle point O. Now from here, 5.6 half is 2.8. Take the center O and draw an arc of 2.8 here and 2.8 here. Now point it is here, join this one. Sorry student. One here and one here. Your rhombus is ready. This is my 5.6. This is also correct. So don't be confused. We can take BN as the first one or ED for the first one. You can give even BN. So your band is ready here. And in this our examples, band will come like this way. Is it? 3.25 a little bit awkward to take out. But you can measure it. No problem. Our rhombus is ready. Can you see the rhombus perfectly? And last step, always write the band is our required quadrilateral. My dear student, here we end up our discussion and move for the next one, exercise 4.3. See students, we can complete our 4.3 also in our sessions. So don't worry, we are moving very fast because these are the easy steps and we can complete it. Construct the following quadrilateral. 1. There are 4 questions are there. MOR more, that MO is 6 cm, OR is 4.5 cm, angle M is 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, angle R 105 degree. See student, here 2 sides and 3 angles are given. Second question में quadrilateral plan, 2 sides, 3 angles. Third, quadrilateral here, 2 sides, 1 angle. Parallelogram. Be careful student, what they are asking. Rhombus, parallelogram or quadrilateral. You have to know the properties of parallelogram. Yes, you are right, my dear student. Then after rectangle, rectangle property you are knowing very well. Okay. Okay, 7 cm, K is equal to 5 cm. Now answer is here, first one. Rough sketch of this quadrilateral can be drawn as follows. I already said number of times, before starting your constructions or answers, you have to draw a rough sketch which gives you a clear idea from where you have to start and where you have to put the angles or sides. My quadrilateral MOR is on your screen, where angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105, angle R is 105, and my 2 sides is there. MO is 6 cm and OR is 4.5 cm. Clear? Now with the help of pair of compass and scale, yes, don't forget pencil and rubber eraser. Will you draw it? Why not? Draw a line segment MO of 6 cm and angle 105 at point O, as vertex R is 4.5 cm away from the vertex O. Out a line segment OR of 4.5 cm from this ray. Yes, my dear student, here is the main thing you have to understand. We already discussed how to draw a angle of 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree. Here you can find out MO is 6 cm, you can draw. Now from the point O, I am trying to show you how to draw an angle of 105 without help of protractor. Keep the center O, take any radius and draw an arc, or you can draw an half circle. Can you draw it? Yes. with the same radius, keep the point on this line MO and draw an arc on given drawn arc, which give you exactly 60 degree, students. Very good. Now from here point, you can draw another arc here which cuts on our previously drawn arc. Yes, my dear students, once again you can draw an arc on the top side with the same radius, and from this cutting point from here with the help of this one. Now we have 2 points here, 1 point here and 1 point O. Draw an dotted line. Now we have 2 points, 1 point is here and 1 point is here. Now bisect this angle. Actually this angle is 30 degree. Why 30 degree? Because first is 60, second is 60, student. 60 plus 60, 120. Yes, my dear student. But this 60, second 60 is cut in 2 parts. And that 2 parts means 30 plus 30. So 60 plus 30, 90 degree. This is my 90 degree, student. Dotted line. Now 90 and 120. 30 degree and their half is 15. So now from this 90 degree point, draw an arc. From this 120 point, draw an arc which gives you exactly 105, because 15, 90 plus 15. 90 plus 15, 105 degree. Is it not? Yes, student, you are right. I forgot to put the degree sign. Now join this one, and from point O, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter of this line, which is always cut on point R. Now again from the R you have to draw an angle of 105. The same process. Students, don't afraid, you can try to draw yourself. Practice makes man perfect. Okay, women also, girls also, boys also, everyone. Even animals also doing practice and doing so many exercises in circus, or you can see in TikTok or any videos. Surprise, that need practice. Yes, my students, here is 105 degree. Now we are moving on second point. Second point is here, same way. From R we can draw an arc. But student, here measurement of R is not given. So what we can do? Yes, angle M is 60 degree. Yes, very simple way. Which cuts our R. M-O-R-E. R to E measurement we can find. Let this ray meet the previously drawn by ray RE at point E. Can you see it there? Very simple way. See, students. First one, second one. Any measure, any radius. So students, not compulsory, small or big. Now this point moving passing here, and this point already we had intersection of this one, which gives you a E. Here quadrilateral M-O-R-E is ready. Easy? Very good. See the second one. Second one is a quadrilateral, 360 degree already given. We can find out the other angles. Angle L also. Yes. Quadrilateral angles, sum of properties 360 degree. All angles sum is 360. 3 एंगल का दिए तो चौथा एंगल भी आप ढूंढ सकते हैं बेटा. Yes, very good, very good, very good. With the help of this one, we can find out the angle L is 75 degree. Your plan is ready. 4 centimeter, 6.5. Others angles are ready. Take 90 degree P, L 75 degree, A 110 degree. Yes, my dear student. Here your plan is ready. Check out properly. 95 degree. Sorry, 75 degree. We can make it 60 and 90 between 75. Fourth one. See, points are written very clearly. You can use your own language also. Yes, sometimes you can use the protractor. Don't worry. But you should have to practice with this way. See the complete Plan is ready. Quadrilateral plan. Yes, 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 yes. Now rest of questions you can draw in homework.